at some tomatoes.
Wow, a shallot.
Beautiful shallot.
Wow.
There's another one right here. There's plenty, but I'm gonna pull 2 of them. Those are so
Oh, cool,
pretty. Those are so pretty.
Those are beautiful. Wow.
I'm gonna let it dry.
Oh, cool. No, Hanala.
Ça c'est fini dry up.
Pick 2 hello. Hanala ready. Hadila.
Pick that one over there.
No, Bigly.
Pick it. Pull it.
Maybe they come out from under the ground.
Yeah, that means it's ready. The log shoot.
Oh, it turned into a video. What is that? Shallots? Go.
Regarde comme c'est joli.
Action.
Regarde ce bok choy là. Il pousse là un truc. Regarde ce bottom. C'est sur un tige. Une tige. Joli. Un petit bouillon là.
Bouillon.
On va tout récolter. Et puis alors en fleurs, c'est...
Done. This is it. You bitter?
Non.
Whitney, did you bitter?
Non, c'est
Today
bon
Mom
bobo.
is harvesting bok choy. How does it taste, Mom?
Tastes good.
Tastes like bok choy. Yummy.
Le reste, ben,
Qui t'a cuit avec un?
petit bouillon. Mais ça, par contre, j'ai une petite affaire de moisi là. Il y a aussi. On harvest them all. Ok.
To harvest some cherry tomatoes. They're still green.
On finit de couper?
T'as fini de couper?
Yeah, it was here. Petit nain, tu vas prendre là-bas. Oh, il y a un là-haut là-bas. Je vais pas couper ça, moi.
What did you couper?
Yeah, ça a rien de bon.
Pear from the pear tree. And mango's poisonous to the weedy avant.
Il y a encore une surprise là. Ouais, c'est tout, les gars, les petits nets, non?
It's harvest day on the farm.
Oh, loulou.
Eggplant. What else can we harvest today? Mid-August. Cucamelon tree has a lot of cucamelons in it. Cucumber tree has so many cucumbers. Just keep pulling them off and getting new ones. Zucchini looks like it's done for this season. Caterpillar tomato. Ta-da!
Puis, frais, non?
Wow.
Dans mon fait bouillir ça, ça va faire frais.